is the original basement floor plan before the renovation. The first step was simple. Open up the space by removing the walls. Nothing makes a small space feel smaller than too many partitions. Walls block natural sight lines, making an already limited space feel even more cramped. This wall was one of the biggest design challenges. It concealed a structural support column, and the ductwork above lowered the ceiling height. Instead of working around these limitations, we designed with them. The structural column was seamlessly integrated into a custom display cabinet, while the lower ceiling area was transformed into a cozy seating look. The result is a cleaner, more functional space, with added storage and display. The corners of a home are often overlooked, but every inch deserves thoughtful design. Most people would simply enclose the space beneath the stairs with cabinetry. We chose a different approach. Following the graceful curve of the staircase, we transformed this corner into an open reading and display area. It's a place where children can read and build with blocks, while adults can display artwork and treasures collected from their travels. What was once just a passageway is now a place where the whole family can slow down, connect, and spend time together. The central hallway features soft, curved lines, creating a smoother flow through the space, while eliminating sharp corners for everyday safety. At the bottom of the stairs, we also created a focal point that immediately welcomes you into the space. Design isn't about creating space, it's about creating a better way to live. Contact us to transform your house into a home.